Enjoy life. Enjoyin ang buhay. Do the things that you love. Not the things that you hate. Okay, so enjoy life as in enjoy it at its best. And sa kaduluduluhan, okay. Enjoy life, watch news. The news, TV. Movies, Netflix, okay. Oo, enjoy life, yes. Okay, enjoy life. At its fullest. Pumunta ng amusement parks. Gumala with friends. Go travel, okay. Enjoy life, uminom ng kape. Hot coffee, iced coffee, okay. Enjoy life, no to negativity. But yes to positivity, okay. Enjoy life, go create art. Appreciate music, yes, okay. Enjoy life, enjoyin mo lang. Pero paano nga ba? Okay. Mag 7-Eleven ka, McDo, Jollibee, Dunkin Donuts, okay. Oo, yes, okay. Enjoy life, opo, okay. Enjoy life, mag-alaga ng aso, aspin. Or Shih Tzu, Golden Retriever, Corgi, okay. Yes, opo, okay. Enjoy life, mag-YouTube. Google, Facebook, Instagram. Yes, okay. Enjoy life, bumili ng car. Na gusto mo, okay. Ma-engage into arts and music. And even writing books. Film, photography. Mag-vlog ka pa. Okay. Opo, yes, okay. Enjoy life. Kumain ng favorite mong food. Ulam, okay. Mag-dessert. Donut, cake, chocolate, okay. Enjoy life, okay. Yes, opo, paano? Makinig ng Paramore. Enjoy life, ibuhos ang emosyon sa diary or journal. Okay, yes, opo, okay. Enjoy life, exercise. Healthy diet, okay. Enjoy life. Sumali sa mga groups, okay. Enjoy life, okay. Do not forget religious doings, okay. Thank God sa lahat ng meron ka at opportunity na mabuhay sa mundong ito. Okay, enjoy life, yes, okay. Enjoy life, eat ice cream. Magsilog meals. Church ka once a week, ha? Don't forget God in your life, okay. Yes, opo, okay. Enjoy life, okay, yes. Enjoy life. Planner, journal, diary, okay, yes. Enjoy life. Music, arts. Writing books, okay. Enjoy life. Isulat ang nararamdaman. Journal tungkol sa mood mo na happy, okay. Enjoy life, okay. Enjoy life. Be with friends. Show kindness to everyone, okay, kindness. Okay. Speak up, dear. Like, comment, subscribe. Okay, thank you.